Any more of that pin?
Yep.
Put her in this can right here, the spent can.
Yep.
Oh. Drone's on. Yeah.
Already been bent, actually. Yeah.
Now you fall under the UAR.
So cool. Run down. I'm gonna grab the table so we can put it right here. So we have
Okay. Yeah. Sounds good.
Okay.
And then we move
you on the main road to the range?
so your operator's supposed to be behind you.
Okay,
That's
cool.
who's running.
There you go. Just fucking land that bit sucker. Right over it. Right there.
So that makes this a great stabilized gimbaled camera platform to perform ISR.
Where are you at, King?
Knows where you are.
I'm out there near the target.
Yeah, me too. That's what I'm wondering where you're at.
Maybe 10.